Welcome back to our channel, where quality meets your everyday needs. Today, we're here to unravel the mysteries of the best electric screwdrivers in the market. Whether you're a professional handyman or a DIY enthusiast, finding the right electric screwdriver can make all the difference in your projects. Gone are the days of manually turning screws, as we delve into a world of convenience, speed, and efficiency. With so many options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But fear not. We've done the research and curated a collection of the finest electric screwdrivers that will take your craftsmanship to new heights. From compact designs to adjustable torque settings, we've got it all covered. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications, as we bring you quality videos daily to help you make informed decisions about a variety of products. Let's get started. Number 1. Works WX255L Electric Screwdriver. The Works WX255L SD semi-automatic power screwdriver with screw holder is an innovative and efficient tool designed to streamline your screwdriving tasks. This power screwdriver offers convenience and ease of use with its semi-automatic operation and built-in screw holder. One of the standout features of the WX255L SD is its unique screw holder attachment, which securely holds screws in place, allowing for one-handed operation. This eliminates the need for fumbling with loose screws or constantly repositioning them while you work. The screw holder can accommodate up to 6 1-inch screws, providing quick access and reducing downtime. The WX255L SD is equipped with a 4-volt lithium-ion battery, providing ample power for most household projects. The battery is easily rechargeable, ensuring that your screwdriver is always ready to go when you need it. With its compact and lightweight design, this power screwdriver offers excellent maneuverability and is ideal for working in tight spaces. Number 2. Black & Decker. The Black + Decker cordless screwdriver, AS6ing, is a versatile and handy tool that simplifies your screwdriving tasks. This cordless screwdriver offers convenience, portability, and reliable performance, making it an essential addition to your toolbox. Equipped with a 4-volt integrated rechargeable battery, the AS6ing provides consistent power for a variety of applications. The cordless design allows for easy maneuverability and eliminates the hassle of tangled cords, providing you with the freedom to move around effortlessly. The AS6ing features a comfortable and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its lightweight construction further enhances the ease of handling, making it suitable for both professional and DIY applications. This cordless screwdriver also offers versatility with its forward and reverse switch, allowing you to easily change the direction of rotation depending on your needs. Whether you need to tighten or loosen screws, the AS6ing has got you covered. Number 3. Bosch GSR12V. The Bosch GSR12V 140 FCB22 cordless electric screwdriver 12 volts kit is a versatile and high-performance tool designed to meet the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This kit includes a 5-in-1 multi-head power drill set, offering a wide range of capabilities for various screw driving and drilling tasks. The GSR12V 140 FCB22 features a powerful and efficient 12-volt motor, providing ample torque for demanding applications. Its cordless design allows for maximum flexibility and mobility, enabling you to work in tight spaces without the hassle of cords or limited maneuverability. Equipped with an LED light, this Bosch cordless screwdriver illuminates your work area, improving visibility and enabling you to work in dimly lit spaces with ease. The integrated battery fuel gauge keeps you informed about the remaining battery life, ensuring that you can plan your tasks accordingly and avoid unexpected interruptions. Number 4. Bosch IXO 3.6 volts Mini. The Bosch IXO 3.6 volts Mini cordless electric screwdriver drill with charger is a compact and efficient tool that combines the functionality of a screwdriver and a drill in a portable package. This mini cordless screwdriver is designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease and convenience. The IXO features a compact and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. Its lightweight construction further enhances its user-friendly nature, allowing you to work for extended periods without experiencing hand fatigue. This mini cordless electric screwdriver offers versatility with its interchangeable bit system. It comes with a variety of bits that can handle different types of screws, providing flexibility for various projects. The magnetic bit holder ensures secure and quick bit changes, allowing you to switch between different screw sizes or types effortlessly. Number 5. Ryobi HP54L 4 volts. The Ryobi HP54L 4 volts lithium-ion compact quick-turn screwdriver is a reliable and efficient tool designed for quick and easy screw driving tasks. This compact screwdriver offers convenience and versatility, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Powered by a 4V lithium-ion battery, the HP54L delivers consistent power for efficient screw driving operations. With a 1/4-inch hex chuck, this Ryobi screwdriver accommodates a wide range of bits, providing flexibility for various screw sizes and types. The HP54L features a compact and lightweight design, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver. Its ergonomic handle enhances user comfort, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Operating at a speed of 600 RPM, rotations per minute, this screwdriver offers efficient and precise performance. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or working on DIY projects, the HP54L delivers the power and control needed to complete your tasks with ease.